Hello and welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadip. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into three powerful data processing services on Google Cloud: Dataflow, Dataproc, and Spark on GKE. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover today. We will start by introducing the three services. Then, we'll discuss the critical difference between managed and self-managed platforms. We will compare them across key metrics like use cases, scaling, cost, and latency, look at their architectures, and finally, provide a decision guide to help you choose the right service for your project. Let's meet our three contenders. First, Dataflow, Google's fully managed and serverless offering for both stream and batch processing. Next, we have Dataproc, a managed service that simplifies running Hadoop and Spark clusters. Finally, Spark on GKE, which gives you the power to run Spark natively on Kubernetes for ultimate flexibility and control. The most important difference lies on a spectrum of management. On one end, you have Dataflow, a fully managed serverless platform where you focus only on your code. On the other end is Spark on GKE, a self-managed approach where you control the entire environment. Dataproc sits comfortably in the middle, offering a managed Spark cluster, but still requiring some cluster management. So when should you use Dataflow? It shines in real-time stream processing, like fraud detection or IoT analytics. It is perfect for serverless ETL pipelines that need to scale automatically based on load. Its core strength is a unified batch and stream processing model provided by Apache Beam, making it ideal for complex windowing operations. Dataproc is your go-to choice for lifting and shifting existing Hadoop or Spark workloads to the cloud with minimal changes. It is excellent for large-scale batch processing, ad hoc data exploration using notebooks, and scenarios where you need control over specific open-source framework versions. Choose Spark on GKE when you want to consolidate all your applications onto a single Kubernetes platform. It offers the most granular control over resources, making it ideal for cost optimization. It's also perfect for complex jobs with custom dependencies that can be packaged into a container, and for organizations aiming for multi-cloud or hybrid cloud strategies. Let's talk about scaling and cost. Dataflow scales per job, automatically adding or removing workers based on your pipeline's needs. Dataproc scales at the cluster level, where you add or remove entire virtual machines. Spark on GKE offers the most granular scaling at the pod level. For cost, Dataflow is pay-per-use with no idle cost. With Dataproc, you pay for the entire cluster as long as it's running. GKE can be the most cost-effective if managed well, as you pay for the underlying nodes which can be shared by multiple applications. When it comes to latency and performance, Dataflow is the clear winner for low-latency streaming, thanks to its purpose-built engine. Dataproc offers solid, predictable performance for batch jobs, though you need to account for cluster creation time. Spark on GKE gives you the potential for the highest performance, but this power comes with the responsibility of manual tuning and optimization. Let's summarize the key trade-offs. Dataflow offers simplicity and powerful autoscaling, but less control. Dataproc is the perfect middle ground for migrating existing jobs, offering a familiar environment with managed infrastructure. Spark on GKE provides ultimate control and cost-saving potential, but demands the highest level of operational expertise. To simplify your choice, here is a quick decision guide. If your primary need is serverless stream or batch processing with hands-off autoscaling, go with Dataflow. If you are migrating existing Spark or Hadoop jobs and want a managed environment, Dataproc is your best bet. And if you are not doing that, and instead want to unify your infrastructure on Kubernetes for maximum control and cost efficiency, then Spark on GKE is the right path. And that's a wrap on our comparison of Dataflow, Dataproc, and Spark on GKE. I hope this video helped you choose the right tool for your data processing needs on Google Cloud. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more data engineering content. See you in the next one.